Okay.
I think you have rephrased it, but the way it's framed is how you have framed it.
Okay. The objection raised by counsel for the petitioner requires a thorough evaluation of the affidavit evidence before a decision is taken. This cannot be done at this stage of the proceedings. For this reason, the preliminary objection raised by counsel for the petitioner shall be considered together with other issues for trial. The court shall now proceed with the scheduling conference.
Yes, it says undergo practice whether it's personally or with his knowledge, his or her knowledge, and consent or approval.
Okay, so let's keep the wording
by the parties.
My Lord, we would be more specific and say whether the affidavits in reply of A, B, C are legally admissible.
I think they're not legally admissible, and I agree. Because the issue is there.
My Lord,
having dealt with the issues. No, I'm not giving you leave to cross-examine each deponent, but this, you have to satisfy me as the relevance for cross-examination. So you start with the first one, which is put forward by the petitioner, and the respondent also agrees to that. So on the issues of violence, I don't think you need to cross-examine. There are several witnesses who testified on violence, many of them. And then you also come and state the same thing. So that then is not an issue of contention.
My Lord, you will find that if our defense is that the same was orchestrated by them, first of all, then we need to cross-examine them. Secondly,
okay, we go affidavit by affidavit. First, respondent to cross-examine Chamber Nathan Muwanguzi, Maumbe George William, Nabukenya Margaret, and Sebaru Tusubira Martin.
yes, that's all. I know just to emphasize that.
But would I need it?
Just want to get it.
So you make
Mr. Mbabazi, you had a prayer to make?
Yes, just to
And here we are covering both for the petitioner and for the respondents. In connection with the election by the first respondent, personally, or with his knowledge, or with his knowledge and consent or approval.
Yes.
Okay.